said I was gonna do the last video. If you didn't watch it, if you're new here, you know, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Anyways, hope you like the cool start. But anyways, pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all how to replace. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can hear this noise. Probably can't hear it, but like, there's a little clunk. My the strut mounts from my strut on the driver's side is it's making a noise. It's bad, and you can't just replace the mount. You gotta replace the whole strut. So I got a new strut in. Going to my secret location right now. Gonna go put it in. Should be pretty easy. You know, I feel like every time when you watch YouTube videos, we always say, "Oh, it's too easy," and then you heard it right there, clunk. You know, but pretty much all you need. You know, let me park it. Talk to y'all. Anyways, this is strut right here. Got from eBay. It's cheap. You can see I already took off some of these panels in the front. So I'm just gonna show y'all what you need real quick. Yeah, it's really messing here. Don't worry about this. But obviously you're gonna need jack stands, jack. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. And then obviously you're gonna need a strut, and you know, just regular tools. You don't need a lot of stuff. You know, I got my ratchet down here. You're gonna need a 19 millimeter. So you're gonna need a 19 millimeter, 21 millimeter. Where's my 19? Somewhere here. Anyways, you're gonna need. Oh, there it is. You're gonna 19, 21, and you also need a 13 millimeter. So that should be pretty much all you need. It'd be nice if you have maybe some swivel extensions and all that stuff. But anyways, to begin, like I said, I already took this off a little bit. You can see, but you gotta take off all this this panel. They just stick on there. They're held in by this things. You just screw it out. So that's how you take it off. So there should be one up here and maybe one somewhere here. So once you screw that, the panel just comes out. Same thing for the side. Now this one is a black plastic here. It's held in by like clips. You just pop that out. You have to take this one out first before you take out the two panels here. So yeah, let's keep going. What you need to do, the reason why you gotta take out these panels, you can see if you look down there. See there? This is where the strut mounts to the top. So there's two bolts holding it into the car. This one here, and there's another one somewhere in there. It's kind of hard to see. Don't worry about the middle one. And then there's also one. There's on the other side too. So you take out this one, and the one on the inside is kind of hard to see, but it's in there. So you take those out. Those are 13 millimeters. They shouldn't be on there too good. So take those out first. I'm using. So I have a bunch of things I'm using, but I should be able to reach it with a. Where's my deep? I actually loosened it already, but I use the deep socket. But if you have a shallow socket, you might be able to reach it also. But yeah. I already took the one on the inside. I already took it out, and the other side, the top one, this one already. I mean, it's pretty much loose, but I just left it in there just to hold it for a little bit. So yeah. So after that, you're pretty much done on the inside. Now, you gotta take the wheel off and jack the car up. So I'm gonna put my jack out and get this shit up. So I'm doing the passenger side first. It's already jacked it up. Got the jack stands there. Put my tire under there just in case. But you know, this is what you see. And then after you remove those two bolts, the last one you gotta take off is this big one right here. So right there, that's the last one. So there's a strut. It's just one big one here. It's a 21 millimeter. So once you take that off, the whole strut just comes out. So hopefully it's not in there too good. I already put some WD-40 on it a couple days ago, so let's see.
it's not stuck in there too good. Oh, actually, I kind of fucked up. We want to support this first, actually. So before you do it, shoot. Before you do it, you should put a jack on the control arm to give some support. So that way the whole thing doesn't come down when you try to loosen it. I'm gonna get my gloves. I don't want to hurt myself. That's why. That came out pretty easy. Hopefully the other side comes out easy also. shit. Alright, so that's the bolt. Like I said, it came up. I don't know if I put WD-40 a couple days before I started this, so maybe that's why it came out easy. But anyways, so now you've taken that out. Oh shit. Well, yeah. So it just slides off like that. And then just pull it up. Actually, you put it up. So. Up, and there's the old strut. So I'll get a new one. So this is comparison side by side just to make sure it's the same, you know, so that way it fits in well. And that's pretty much the same way. You just slide it in, bolt it down, screw it back up. Easy. Alright, let's put this back together. So put it in, slide this in first. And do one hand. Then you just line that up with, you know, where the bolt went. And then you just push. So you obviously you can see it's not going in, but you can compress the strut. So you just compress it. Can't do it. Anyways, you just compress it and then line it back in the hole right there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Then, once you get that lined up, you can just start threading the bolt in. yeah, I pretty much got it in. So I said just line that bolt up, and then you tighten that, and then see on this side I already put the bolt and I already started it. I haven't tightened it all the way. I just use my hand to just hand tighten it just to hold it on there while I tighten the other one. But pretty much at this point, you know, at this point, all you do, you know, torque that down. I believe that's 110 foot-pounds. The torque spec. Don't quote me on that. But you know me, I don't got no torque spec, so I'm gonna hand spec it. And you tighten the ones up. Don't tighten those ones too much though, or else you break the bolts. Those bolts aren't that strong. But that's pretty much how you do it. You know, take this off, take the two off, slide it out, put the new one in. Yeah, also don't forget to support the control arm when you take it out, so that way the whole thing doesn't just come down. So I almost forgot that. But that's pretty much how you do it. It's the same for the driver's side. I'm not gonna show that, so I don't want to make the video to be too long, but it's literally the same thing. So yeah, man. Anyways, so I'll make a quick video. Oh, this is the same video, but I'm doing the driver's side now. And if you remember earlier, I told you my noise was coming from the driver's side. I wanted to show you why I was making that noise. And there's this truck right here. You see all that play? That play right there. That's where my noise was coming from. It's not supposed to move like that. So if you see this one, solid. So yeah, so this was where my noise is coming from. Every time I go over a bump, this will move and that will cause my so yeah. So I just took it off. I'm gonna put a new one in now. The driver's side was good. The passenger side was good. Passenger side, you can see I didn't hear any noise from it, but you know, with struts, when you change one side, like you always want to change them in pairs. You can't just change one. So that's why I changed the passenger side, you know. And also, like when I bought it, it came with two sides, so you can't just buy one anyway. So might as well just put a new one. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on in now. Like I said, same thing. Let's put it in there, line the bolts up, bolt it up, line it up there, screw it in, and yeah, that's it, man. All right, now I'm out for good this time. I'm on the side of the street, but it's a nice Tesla right next to me. It's crazy. But anyways, that's pretty much how you do it, man. You know, the entry order. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Got any questions? Let me know, man. See y'all next one, man. Come on.